guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Priyanka this side, and yes, I welcome you all to yet another study vlog. So you'll be seeing me studying and cooking sometimes. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That means a lot to me. And yes, I think that's enough for the intro. So let's get started with the video. I guess you all know that this year's Nobel Prize for the chemistry was shared between Professor List and Professor Macmillan for the asymmetric organocatalysis. So the other day I got a link to get a free access to their research article. If you want to read their work, I have provided the same link in the description box. Personally, I believe that the sourcing is very important as well as a time-consuming task when it comes to preparation. We as an individual, we are always in a search of that one perfect source from where we can outsource the maximum of information. However, we deep down know that there is no such source like that, and we have to rely on a different platforms to get the information. I was doing the same for this unit. I didn't find the satisfactory material regarding it, so I was going on a different websites, different YouTube channels, and going through the different books which I have with me to get the maximum information, to get the maximum content out of it. So yeah, this is the glory of preparation.